and welcome to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. As you can see, my hair has grown so much since you guys have last seen it. Listen, I thought I was gonna fool y'all, but I know I had to like put it in the caption. But I mean, you could believe it though. You could believe that this is my hair, right? So if you want to get this style for $15, all right, make sure that you keep watching this video. But before I get into this video, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you do want to see more hair content, please let me know what type of things you want to see and I will provide it. But yeah, follow me on all of my social media platforms at Lexsa Maria, which is Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And let's get into this video. Okay, so this is how I had my hair prepared for this style. I tried to have as minimal as possible in terms of like the leave out. So I just had the front perimeter of my head about 1 inch deep of my natural hair. I did blow dry my natural hair because I wanted it to blend pretty nice, but right here I'm showing you one of the wigs I had previously and the wig that I just opened out the box. So if you do not take care of your hair, you lay in it all night, it'll look like the one that's on the left. But if you take it off every night, it's gonna look probably as fresh as possible. So definitely with maintenance, since this is a synthetic wig, you don't want to sleep in it like it's your natural hair. And that was the first mistake I made. I'm normally wearing natural hair wigs and I can sleep in my wigs all the time. But with this synthetic wig, you probably just want to take it off, or really make sure you have a satin scarf and a satin bonnet, just so that it doesn't tangle as much. Now, I believe after this I did cut my ends just a little bit because I had some color from a previous style, but even with that color, I was able to just put my fingers through the hair, not add any gel or extra heat, just because I wanted to see how easy it was to customize just as is. But if you do want to have that perfect blend, I would just go in with one pass with your flat iron or curling iron and just bump the ends, right? No matter what length you have in terms of your hair, doing that little thing will help blend the hair as much as possible. And that is basically the final look, you guys. This is awesome. I ended up putting it in a half up, half down style, which I can show in another video, but look at that. That's all I needed to do. And this is how you could do it in a half up, half down. I was just playing around with my hair just to see how it would work. But again, if you want that full video, you have to make sure you hit that like and you tell me in the comments you want to see a video on how I do it. But this is gorgeous, right? Like perfect for the fall, perfect, you know, for those cooler months. I did wear it obviously during the summer and it was okay, but I know I could get more wear out of the style and not have to apply as much heat if it is cooler outside. Alright, so this is how the hair looks. I've had this style in for almost a week now, and I put it up in a half up, half down style. Like I said in the beginning of this video, if you want to see a tutorial on that, make sure that you like this video. It is very important, so I know you guys want to see it, and I'll be more than happy. I think I already ordered like 2 or 3 because I know you guys are going to see this, fall in love, and I'm not going to be able to buy it anymore. So make sure you check out my Amazon storefront. I will have it linked there, and I'll also have the link for some other hair stores where you can buy the same wig from. But I definitely love this hair. It is just like my natural hair texture. I have type 4 hair, so between 4A and 4B. Absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you do want to see more content like this, make sure you leave a comment down below, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.